Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Life and health insurance claims shot up between May 2020 and April 2021. The increased price tag associated with shipping goods has also impacted the insurance industry. President of the Insurance Association of Jamaica, IAJ, Dr. Adrian Stokes, made the revelation at a seminar held by the organization yesterday. Javon Keys reports.
The local insurance industry paid out 70% more death claims between May 2020 and April 2021 compared to the same period the previous year. Payments for critical illness claims also went up by 15%. President of the Insurance Industry Association of Jamaica, IAJ, Dr. Adrian Stokes, explained that claims for health insurance also increased.
The industry paid out over $20 billion in claims. Now, at this stage, we cannot say for certain that the direct proportion of the claims that are COVID-related, so we can't say for certain, right? We believe a significant portion or a significant driver of the material increase that we're seeing is COVID-related.
He says more than 776,000 Jamaicans have life insurance through group health plans, with new policy sales up 23% compared to the 12 months up to April 2020.
We have also observed a 40% increase in insurance coverage purchased.
Meanwhile, Dr. Stokes says there's been a rise in the dollar figure associated with health insurance.
The health insurers are reporting that costs are rising and rising in a big way, right? And obviously we have seen it in other sectors because of the dislocation in logistics with what's going on with shipping, big displacement, and that's causing the cost of the health sector to rise. Obviously, what with the import of drugs, and a significant portion of health claims are drugs related.
The depreciation of the Jamaican dollar has also impacted the costs associated with the health insurance business. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
Medical Disposables and Supplies Limited continued building out its distribution portfolio and diversifying its asset base for the first quarter of the company's financial year, which ended in June. Now, the company's profit after tax for the period was $25.48 million, a 460% improvement over the $7 million loss after tax recorded for the same period in 2020. The company's acquisition of a 60% stake in Cornwall Enterprises based in St. James brought the company's total assets up by 25% to $2.47 billion. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.21. The Canadian dollar is trading at $124.83. $215.92 is the going rate for the pound, and $182.33 for the euro. The JC Index advanced by 953 points, while the Junior Market Index advanced by 22 points. Among the winners were Iron Rock Insurance Company, Cygnus Credit Investments Jamaican Dollar Shares, Dermont Trading Company, Salada Foods Jamaica, and Mayberry Investments. Today's decliners include Consolidated Bakeries, Palace Amusement, Cargo Handlers, Medical Disposables and Supplies, and Sterling Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.